Hi, this is a video for Martin Rigby Counselling, opening the door to accessible, confidential and person-centred counselling in Preston, Ashton and Makerfield, Hindley, Lee and Wigan. Visit my website at www.mrcounselling.co.uk. To find out how counselling can help and to book a free 30 minutes initial appointment, to book onto one of my events, workshops or webinars, or to speak to me about any other matter, please call me on 07399 051 697 or email mrigbycounselling@gmail.com. In this short video today, I'm going to talk about disability discrimination. In my Catch a Glimpse closed Facebook group, we've been discussing the topic of disability discrimination this week, its common causes and how we tackle it. So in this video, I'm going to give 5 common causes of disability discrimination in the workplace. The introduction of the Disability Discrimination Act and the Equality Act 2010 meant that it was illegal for an employer to discriminate or treat an employee or prospective employee differently because of a disability or physical or mental health condition. And with the research shows that there has recently been a rise in cases of disability discrimination in the workplace, as there are discrimination and hate crime against disabled people in other areas of society. So what are common causes of disability discrimination in the workplace? Firstly, discrimination against disabled people may occur at the hiring stage, so that could even be prior to interview. So a person trying to fill in an application form may not be able to obtain that in an accessible format. That's discrimination. They may not be able to make the special arrangements that would give them an equal opportunity as non-disabled candidates at an interview. That's discrimination. And when it comes to the interview stage, they may find they're unable to access buildings or a room where an interview is taking place. Can actually be a common occurrence. That's discrimination. And it may be that they are treated differently at interview because of their disability. So may be asked to perform unreasonable tasks. The interviewer may only focus on somebody's disability or condition and not really pay full attention to their abilities and what they can actually do or bring to a role. That could be classed as discrimination. So many people with all kinds of different disabilities, physical, sensory and intellectual, face huge challenges in finding work, gaining employment, and that can be even at the hiring stage before they are seen or enter employment. Secondly, another common cause of disability discrimination in the workplace can be harassment. So that may be somebody making derogatory comments about a disabled person, either to them directly or to other work colleagues. It may be more sort of indirect, making assumptions, kind of making suggestions that they can't do the role, putting pressure on them to complete work tasks that are unreasonable and not within their kind of abilities. And harassment can be enormously distressing for disabled people and for anybody who experiences harassment in the workplace. It can be extremely stressful, exhausting, can lead to persons feeling that they don't fit in, don't belong, can't go to work. A third form of disability discrimination in the workplace is the failure to make reasonable adjustments. So it may be that due to their disability, an employee requires special adjustments. So that may mean specialist kind of software. So I use speech software on computers and devices to help me carry out my work. It may consist of an employee requiring special chair, or may special gadgets that they require to fulfil their work role. And under disability legislation, an employer is required to make reasonable adjustments, which don't always have to be expensive. And in my experience, the jobs that I've done, I have found the Access to Work scheme invaluable for providing the both financial support and expertise for providing equipment and also means for me getting to work, travel to work. A fourth common cause of disability can be adverse behaviour towards somebody because of their disability. So it may be denying somebody a promotion because of their disability, or even demoting them because and treating them differently to non-disabled employees. And finally, work culture can often be an enormous form of disability discrimination. So that could be right from senior management down to on the shop floor, or all throughout the organisation, where there's maybe a lack of opportunities for people with disabilities to gain promotion, or to fulfill their role, carry out their job effectively, and it may be that the atmosphere in the organisation isn't conducive for disabled people to work there. If you are experiencing disability discrimination yourself, or you know someone who is, it's important not to suffer in silence. You're not alone, and there's plenty of help out there. There's different organisations who can help, ranging from citizens advice. There's specialist disability law services who can help. Disability Rights UK is a fantastic organisation from which to get information and advice, and you can visit their website at www.disabilityrightsuk.org, and there's a page on there full of advice and information of contacts. And Disability Rights UK have a number of different helplines dealing with different areas. So they deal with disabled students, inquiries around disabled students. They deal with personal budgets, so issues where disabled people may need to employ personal assistance. And they also have more specialist helpline dealing with equality sort of issues, which would discrimination would come under that. So yeah, as I said, it's important that to get help and to know that you don't need to suffer alone. Hope you found this video useful, and as I said, in my closed Facebook group Catch a Glimpse, we're discussing disability discrimination this week. So if you'd like to get involved with that, or if you'd like to join the group, if you're not already, you can go to the Catch a Glimpse group page at www.facebook.com/groups/Catch a Glimpse news, and ask to join, and as admin I can add you. So thank you for watching, and we'll speak again soon. Okay, bye for now.